Hello and welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this video we're going to look at ordering medication through the Airmid app. To start, click the button in the top left hand corner and choose Medication Requests. Here we can see any past requests that we may have put through, and simply clicking on that we can then request it again if needed. If we want to do a new request back on the main page, we can click the plus down in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and choose either existing medication or a custom request, selecting the organisation you wish to order from and the medications that you want to order, including any recent medication that you may have been prescribed. Requesting it using the button in the top right hand corner will then allow you to put any notes against the drug or notes against the request, and at the bottom of this screen you can click Request Medication. This will then give you information about when your prescription will be available from your practice or your pharmacy. You can then see any outstanding medication requests and past medication requests.